and still waiting. I haven't taken any risky trades here today, so the moves were apparent. The gold trade was the trade of the day. To be honest, gold was the trade of the day. Obviously, didn't execute on gold because price did move very fast, and at the same time, it's a high volume US news event sort of a day. There is CPI happening. So it's actually a good idea for me to stay out of this actually rapid volatile market right now. Obviously didn't execute a buy in pound AUD, pound JPY, because my gut feeling didn't tell me, didn't let me, right? So it just told me that, you know what, there is a chance I may be played by the market right now. Market is very choppy. It is not looking the best. So it's actually a good idea staying out right now. So that's what I did. I stayed out of the market. Every day is not a trading day. Every day we don't click buttons. Sometimes we stay out of the market. And that's what's happening right now. We're staying out of the market. We are actually staying out of the market. Staying out of the market. Mandish, it seems like I'm actually hacked here. Crazy. My mouse is moving on its own, man. Crazy. God damn. Am I actually being hacked? That'd be fucking scary. Wow, gold dropped. Man, is the CPI news being actually, oh my god, is the move happening right now? Is it? Wow. Gold, man, whoever took the gold sell, you had your day well done, sir. Well done. If you actually took that gold sell, your day was done. 100%. 100% your day was done. It gave you around 50 pips. So what else do you need? What else do you need? All right, so this is what I'm going to do. Inviting my YouTube friends here as well at the same time. YouTube community coming in. Gulag, Mr. Gulags. Mr. Gulags. It's like it's actually moving down here. It's actually moving down all the way down to 1870. 15. It looks like it's going to move down. No retracement, no nothing. It's the volume time. We are 1 minute in the New York session already, and the price is actually going down crazy. It's actually melting down crazy right now. Gold is dropping down crazy. Wow. I think the news is being priced in right now. Looks like the news is being priced in. If it's actually being priced in, it does make sense. It actually does make sense. All right, so the CPI news, the news. Okay, actually, hold on. The NFP was technically right, and of course, CPI Consumer Price Index. Okay, funny. Maybe the gold is moving because the news may have been priced in already. Maybe. Yeah. We are 30 minutes away from the New York CPI news event. Let's see, USD CPI news event. We will see what's going to happen here. We will see what's going to happen here. 4-hour, current 4-hour candle in gold, making so much sense to actually fulfill this target all the way down to 1870.15. So the possible trade was around pre-New York after we broke the lows around this level. So whoever took it, definitely beautiful. I've been talking about it forever. This stream, I actually didn't take it. So yeah, just waiting to see how the CPI is going to act. CPI is actually going to move the market, and maybe I'll attack the market then. So until then, I'm going to wait. Right, so my friend Jackie M is talking about inflation with relation to CPI. So the inflation is when do we have the interest rate? It's very interested to know when do we have the interest rate, because the interest rate, the official interest rate and bank. We have CPI, another retail sales around here. Okay, FOMC statement. So the bank rates, official bank rates, actually will help us find out if the inflation is actually happening. Experts do talk about inflation being unavoidable right in this situation. So maybe CPI can also link with that. So I think this gold move might be the liquidity grab. All right, let's look at gold at this point in time. So we are looking at gold right now. Gold is the fascination. Gold is actually rejecting that level. Currently, hourly candle rejecting that level. Maybe have to wait for another 24 minutes to see how the CPI is going to act. CPI is actually going to help market perceive the gold's movement. So we wait. That is the best idea. Wait. Yeah, gold is moving really nice. Really nice. We have the news in the next 20 minutes. In the next 20 minutes, we have this CPI news. So, waiting to see how the market's going to move with volume at that time. This is the close of the 4-hour candle in gold. It's already moving so consistent. There's no doubt the way gold is moving is not consistent. It's actually very consistent. It's actually moving way consistent, all right? Pound AUD, pound AUD. Okay. So still hanging around that level, pound AUD. Similar idea in pound JPY. Very identical idea in pound JPY. Hourly candle, previous hourly candle closed above 154.390. But is a counter trend trade. Looking at the recent price action. Yeah, interesting. Okay, so gold 30-minute candle is actually retracing back pretty hard, right? So we have 15 more minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close, and also the CPI news to be released. So we will see how that's going to affect the market here. It's actually rejecting the bottom at this point in time. If the candles start closing back in the range, technically sales don't make sense, but the market, when it's too volatile at the time of news event, it can actually move anywhere, As we know already, if the news is going to move the market, it can move it anywhere. But technically, if this candle closes back in the range, that means that, you know what, this could be a potential fake out, and we may even start closing above or ranging. So we will see how that's going to work here. Let's look at the 15-minute. 15-minute, our previous 15-minute candle closed with a rejection, with a very long rejection. Actually, we are 15 minutes in the New York market already, so love to see how CPI is actually going to move the market here. Would love to see how the CPI is going to move the market. Wow. $15-minute candle coming back in that range. It's actually coming back in that range, rejecting the bottom pretty hard. Rejecting the bottom pretty hard. Also seems like the price is actually moving in a channel here. If this is a simple channel that we can draw here, simple channel that we can roughly draw in gold right at this point in time, it actually is reacting with the channel, right? This could be the channel right here. Could be. Let's see what's going to happen here. Let's see. In the next few minutes, let's see what's going to happen. Just to say that... 12 more minutes left for the news to come in. 12 more minutes left for the news to come in. Pound AUD, pound JPY moving up with a lot of volume right now. Moving up with volume. Pound JPY, pound AUD. So it looks like it's a no trade day for me here. All right, so the news is going to come in the next 9 minutes. I'm staying out of the market. I am not going to take any sort of trade here, but man, oh man, everything is moving. Everything is coming alive right at the very end. Every single thing is coming alive. All right, so we are 7 minutes away from the market to react with the CPI news. Let's see what's going to happen. Are we going to get some firework today? And the price in gold is rejecting the bottom bid, rejecting this level, trying to break the channel. I would love to see if the candle is actually going to break the channel in some sort of way and is actually going to react and is going to move up. If the CPI news is bad, technically, gold should pump up. Let's see what's going to happen here. We will see what's going to happen here. We are 5 minutes away from the major news event today, CPI. We are 5 minutes away. Is the news going to be bad? Is USD actually losing its strength? If it's actually losing its strength, gold may push up. Let's see what's going to happen today. Lovely to see what's going to happen. Let's see. Beautiful. Another beautiful day here. We are just waiting to see what's happening here and there. We want to see how the market's going to react with the news. So that's the major attraction today than anything else. That is the major attraction today. Beautiful. Everything is moving here. Pound AUD is moving up, so our bias for buys above 1822.20 was correct, which is good, which is a plus plus. Obviously didn't take a trade here, but a plus plus. Candles actually moving up is a plus plus. Beautiful, beautiful on pound AUD. On gold, earlier sales called up, didn't take it obviously for some reason, so it's all right as well. So for now, pound AUD is also moving up nice and slow. If you look at pound AUD moving up, it does make sense. It's actually moving up, and it's actually going to achieve this clear range on until 154.590 potentially. So that's lovely. Lovely. Our anticipation got correct, and some of the guys did execute as well. My friend, who was it? Nick from Zoom, I guess. Yeah, he executed as well. He executed a buy, and things turned out to be in favor. So beautiful. We are 2 minutes away from the news. 2 minutes away from the news event. "45 seconds away now." And gold is dropping. Ooh. Look at this. Gold is dropping. Ooh. Okay. Okay, and the gold is rejecting it right now. Was the number any good? Was the number, CPI number, any good? Was the CPI number any good, guys? What's happening? Ooh, pound yen, pound AUD moving up. And gold is starting to push up. Gold is starting to push up. Wow. Ooh, and gold is still staggering around that area. Still staggering around that area. Beautiful. Abdul Khan says, please do make a course. Oh, okay. We can take a look at that. We can take a look at that. For now, pound AUD pumping up so well. EJA says, it moved so fast my broker couldn't sell my position. Okay. Look at this. Pound AUD also was the trade of the day. It's moving up with a lot of volume here. A lot of volume. So potentially from a... wow. About 30 pips. Amazing, man. And whoever took the trades here, beautiful. Beautiful. Probably it was just another character building day for me. So I'm fine with it. I was actually quite upset how the YouTube was acting a little funny before my, I don't know if my internet is actually partially funny. So yeah, but for now gold is actually moving with a lot of volume. It's actually quite volatile. We are only 2 minutes away from the news event that happened. I'm not even able to see the numbers here. I would love to see the numbers and see what's happening. Tito says, that's why I love my broker. My sales stop slipped like 3 pips. Amazing. That's actually good. That's actually decent. Bagged 25 pips. Ooh, beautiful. Beauty. Beauty, beauty. And the numbers are... oh, actually, it's good. Numbers actually good. Technically, it's not that good of a number. 0.6 is still better than what the forecast was. So, wow, it's a funny situation here. It may actually push up the way it's retracing down, the way it's retracing from the downside right now. It can actually move up. So he's looking for a good broker. Okay. Wow, GJ is pushing up. GBPAUD pushing up. Beautiful. Look at this. Man, it's actually pushing up. Beautiful. The amount of volume there is in these pairs right now, it's crazy. It's actually crazy. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Wow. And gold is pushing up as well at the same time. Gold is pushing up. And it does make sense for the gold to push up because the news is technically bad. It's still a bad number. 0.6 is still a bad number. It's still a bad number. So gold can actually push up. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, guys here managed to take 40. Ooh. My friends. Wow. Wow, my friends actually managed to secure a lot here. Beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Beauty. Wow, it's actually pushing up and it's pushing. It's actually pushing up. Beautiful. It's still pushing up. It looks like it's going to push even higher. Wow. Okay, so the current hourly candle in gold has 23 minutes left for its close. It's going to close in the next 23 minutes. So we'd like to see how this candle actually closes. Is it going to close Is it going to close below 1884.50 or is it going to close up? If it's actually heading up, that'll be beautiful. That'll be beautiful. Love to see candles closing above 1884.50. All right, so EJA says, I'll be heading out. Thank you for the stream. Have a great day, everyone. EGA, see you later, mate. See you later. Have a beautiful day. My friends here secured massive pips out of the market. I'm very happy. Actually happy. GJ moving up huge, moving up crazy. GJ moving up very nice. We have broken above 154.830 right now. Actually have broken above. So if the candles close above 154.830 right now, there is a higher chance price can actually move even further up in GJ even. So wow, the amount of volume, the amount of shock wave you get in pound yen, pound AUD, amazing. The shock wave. Yep, looks like gold is going to push even higher here. Looks like gold is going to push even higher. So look at the way the current daily candle is forming here. Look at the way the current daily candle is forming. The current daily candle bounced off of the daily support. It's actually trying to flip bullish at this point in time. Weekly candle is still bearish, but man, if this weekly candle flips bullish, that'll be crazy. We are 39 minutes in the New York session right now, and looks like gold is pumping up. Gold is pumping up. Beauty. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep, it looks like it's going to move even higher. Looks like it's going to move even higher. Yep. Gold is moving pretty heavy at this point in time. Pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. Zara Zahiv says hi. Hi. Hope you're doing well. Gold is moving crazy. Crazy. Crazy move in gold. Wow, look at pound yen. Man. Pound yen is moving pretty hard. Whoever took that buy, and if the runner is still running, ooh, this is pretty crazy. Pound JPY. Beautiful. Wow. It looks like it was a character building day for me. Nothing else but a character building day here. Character building day. So build my character. Obviously, you know, the prices are moving pretty heavy right now. So it's better to stay a little bit calm right now and see if market could move consistent in any sort of direction, right? So if this current 15-minute candle in GBPJPY closes above 154.830, there's a high chance the price can continue up. If I could get some sort of retest, some sort of support in at least a 15-minute sort of a time frame, that'd be lovely. Until then, I'm just waiting. If the prices move, it is what it is. If the prices move, it is what it is. Wow, so the current 4-hour candle is coming back above the previous 4-hour support. If you look at the 4-hour, it's so simple that the current 4-hour candle is actually retracing back above 1885.50. So the real question the current 4-hour will do is it actually going to close above 1884.50, or is it actually going to stay below 1884.50? If it actually stays below 1884.50, there's still a chance the price may continue down. But man, looking at the way the price is moving right now, there's a high chance it can actually close above. So let's see in the next 14 minutes. In the next 14 minutes, if the price in gold is going to stay bullish or is it actually going to stay bearish. We will see in the next few minutes. Previous 15-minute candle in gold closed above 1884.50. Maybe the NYSE market wants to grab its premium price before the gold could actually push up. So we will see. We will see how it's gonna move. Very volatile right now. What's happening? Please update. I just came. Right now, the price is acting near 1884.50. So if a 5-minute closes above 1884.50, there is still a chance price may make a support, but there's a chance that the NYSE could move the market in a way that, you know what, gold could grab its liquidity before moving in any sort of consistent direction. So that could be the case here too. So for now, the 5 minutes seems as if it's actually staying above. 5 minute is rejecting 1884. Beautiful. Looks like it's going to move up. It's actually going to move up here. Higher chance of price moving up than moving down here. Let's see. See what's going to happen.
Hello.
Hello there.
Hello.
How's it going? Okay, so this current 5 minute candle is actually still hanging around that 1884.50 level. If this candle could actually close above, making some sort of support, that'd be lovely. That would be lovely. For now, pound yen moving up so heavy, so enticing. I mean, it's actually been a trade, no trade day for me. Price is moving so consistent, so good, but man, I'm just trying to stay away from the high volume NYSE NY sort of retracement. We just had a major news, and gold just pushed up so heavy. And there's a shock effect in pound JPY, shock effect in pound AUD. So I would want to stay a little bit away from the market right now. And we'll jump in only when this volume is going to settle down a little bit. Only when the volume is going to settle down a little bit. For now, from 154.830, price in GJ has moved up about 30 pips from 154.830. Wow. This is the real Thursday. This is what a Thursday is supposed to be like. This is what a Thursday is supposed to be like. Okay, so I think you guys can hear me now. Can you hear me now? Hopefully you can hear me now. Beautiful. We are pushing up. We are still pushing up. Wow. So the previous 5 minute candle closed bullish, also rejecting 1884.50. There's a higher chance price actually can move up from here, then move down right now. So lovely. Lovely. This is lovely. Okay. Bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Yep. Looks like it's moving up. Moving up. Moving up. Baby. 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 Pound JPY moving so nice. Please tell me, somebody tell me you took a buy. Somebody tell me you took a buy. Ooh. We are moving nice and slow. So the 4-hour in gold is coming back above 1884.50 right now. It makes sense for the gold to push up because the numbers in CPI is technically bad. So if the safe haven gold is gaining some value right now, it does make sense. So whoever is scalping the gold right now for buys, man, amazing. Just be careful because we are actually we are about 40 minutes away from NYSE. So maybe gold's actually going to retrace down a little bit before it's going to move up. That's actually expected, right? So if gold's going to retrace down a little bit, that is expected. So let's see what's going to happen. What is going to happen? So peeling mindset, Peeling says, peeling mindset, does Uncle Ted have any mentoring program at the moment? No, he's a busy guy, so he doesn't. He doesn't have a mentoring program. He used to mentor back in 2016. Not anymore. There is background noise. Someone using the sink doing dishes. That's right. That's right. That is correct. Somebody is doing the dishes. Gotta clean the home, man. Gotta run a house too. Can't just stream. Can't just trade. Gotta run the house. That is a little funny. My computer's acting very funny. Okay. It's not lovely at all. Not lovely at all. Alright. So computer man, please. Oh. Something's wrong with it. All right, so right at this point of time, gold is moving up very nice and slow. Looks like it's going to move up. So 1898.80 is no wonder. In the next 30 minutes, we have the NYSE. Maybe the NYSE is actually going to make the price in gold retrace down a little bit and then move up after the liquidity grab. For now, the price in gold is happening. It's actually doing what it's doing. So there's nothing much we can do about it. Nothing much we can actually do about it. All right? So nothing much we can actually do about it. I will fix the stream tomorrow. Right now I cannot do a lot. I cannot do a lot except for my Zoom friends are here, so I gotta help them. Gotta help them. Okay, so pound yen has moved so heavily. Pound yen actually have moved up so heavily, so nice, amazing how it's actually moved up. I think there has been some of the video setting in my streaming app that has gone wrong, so I'll fix it tomorrow. Obviously 100% I'm going to fix it. So pound yen hourly candle has moved up so heavily. Looks like there is still chances for the hourly candle to move up and test the high on the left hand side till 155 300 potentially. So if the price is going to move up, that is possible. But for gold, I'm actually attracted by gold right at this point because it has rejected the bottom wick. It has rejected the bottom price with its wick, and the current 4-hour is bullish above 1884.50, which is a good sign for me, right? If it's actually going to stay bullish, there is a higher chance we may start breaking 1898 in a 4-hour sort of a time frame and eventually start moving up. So that's something I'm waiting for here. And we are still waiting. Yeah, the markets are moving pretty heavily, so I think I'm going to be here for the next 10 to 15 minutes, and after that I'm going to call it a day. Obviously the moves have happened already before the session, and right now price is moving pretty heavily, so there's no need of rushing into any formal kind of trade right now, for me especially. So obviously my friends caught it. We read the market as much as we can, and right now it's too volatile to be in it as well, and the next hour is NYSE clock, so you don't want to be messed up with NYSE together with the CPI volume right now. So the market may do a lot of haphazard sort of a movement, so it's better for me to stay out of the market. And I'm also actually done for the week, and I'm done for the week, which means I don't actually need to force any trade, right? So I can actually call it a day. So I'm going to be here for the next 10-15 minutes, and after that I'm going to actually call it a day. Looks like I think I'm gonna call it a day here, guys. So the YouTube stream's been lagging. There's been trouble with the stream settings and whatnot. You know, obviously the market is kind of choppy right now. It may be preparing for the NYSE push. So I'm very sorry if I upset it. If I actually upset the Zoom guys, I'm very sorry. You know, obviously we're gonna come back to the market the next day, Friday. Until then, I'm gonna see what's the trouble with the streams and stuff. And until then, take care. Don't overtrade. Don't over risk. These are the sort of days where you over risk and overtrade and you lose all of your profits. All right. I'm actually so good for the week. So I'm gonna take it easy, stay calm, and I'm gonna come back the next day and break the markets, break the possible trades at that time. But for now, until then, I would say I'm really sorry, apologizing for the inconvenience. And until then, take care. We'll be back one more time, and we'll attack the market together. Until then, take it easy. Take it easy.